Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text direction in PowerPoint table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to change the text direction into table. At first, we go to the home menu, then select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the text insert menu, click the table option, then create a table, then click inside the table cell. Now I am write some text. Now we want to change the direction. At first select the text, then go to the layout menu and we can see here the text direction. You can rotate this text 90 degree, otherwise you can rotate the text 270 degree or stacked. Now I am changed 90 degree, then increase the table cell. Now we can see we change the text direction into table very easily. You can apply this same process in another cells. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.